Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a vital part of the Nillion network by deploying your very own Nillion Verifier node. This process is straightforward and quick, allowing you to easily join this revolutionary network. Nillion is redefining data protection and decentralization with its unique protocol, and by setting up a verifier node, not only do you contribute to the network's security, but you can also earn rewards as part of their incentive program. Before we jump into the setup, let's briefly talk about what makes Nillion so special. Unlike traditional blockchains that primarily focus on financial transactions, Nillion is a decentralized computation network built on the Nil Message Compute Protocol, or NMC. This allows for secure data processing without ever exposing the data, paving the way for a new era of privacy and efficiency. With its innovative approach, Nillion opens up new possibilities for privacy-preserving applications across various industries. The project has already gained significant traction, raising $20 million in 2022 and being listed on the CoinList website. Before we start, make sure your server meets these specifications. System, Linux Ubuntu, 22.04 with Docker installed, memory 6 GB, CPU 4 cores, disk 100 GB. For hosting Nillion Verifier node nodes, I recommend using a VPS-1 server from Contabo for its reliability and performance. Check out my Contabo VPS server guide for easy setup. To order your Contabo VPS server, you can click on my referral link. To make this process as smooth as possible, I've developed an Ansible automation script that handles deployment, updates, and removal of nodes. This script is free for the community to use, so let's dive in and see how it works. Before installing the node verifier, you'll need a Kepler wallet to interact with the Nillion network. Here's how to set it up. Install the Kepler extension for your browser if you don't have it, then create your wallet by selecting the Nillion testnet in Kepler. Get funds for your wallet via the Nillion faucet, enter your wallet address and request testnet tokens. Now let's prepare our system by updating packages and installing Git and Ansible. Run these commands. Now let's clone the project repository and install the Nillion Verifier node. Once installed, head over to the Nillion website for Verifier nodes for registration. Connect your Kepler wallet. Navigate to the Verifier section and Set up for Linux. Enter your account ID and public key from the credentials file. After registration, you'll need to fund your Verifier node with nil tokens. Use the Nillion faucet to obtain tokens and send them to the address found in your credentials file. After funding the Verifier node, wait for 1 hour before proceeding to allow the secret verification process to complete. Then start your Verifier node with this command. In my case, I waited 1 hour. To check your node's activity, use this command to view the logs. Congratulations! Your Nillion Verifier node is now operational. In addition, I've included commands for stopping, starting, and removing your node in the description below. By following this guide, you've successfully deployed a Nillion Verifier node, contributing to this innovative network and potentially earning rewards. Join the Nillion community on Discord and Twitter to stay informed about the project. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please support my channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the feedback survey in the description and stay connected with our latest updates on social media. See you in the next video.